Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start chapter 2, visiting France. So students, hold a pencil in your hands to underline the difficult words in this chapter also for your dictation. And students, we will discuss these words while reading. So without wasting time, let's start this lesson. So student, it is clear from the name of the chapter that this chapter is about France. So let's start. One morning in May, a bright silver and blue jet aeroplane landed at Charles de Gaulle Airport outside Paris, France. Mrs. and Mr. Rajan with their two daughters, Alicia and Indrani, stepped out into the warm sunshine. मीन्स मैं की एक मॉर्निंग की बात है. एक ब्राइट चमकता हुआ सिल्वर एंड ब्लू जेट एरोप्लेन कहाँ लैंड होता है, कौन से एयरपोर्ट पे? चार्ल्स डे गोल एयरपोर्ट. एंड दिस एयरपोर्ट इज़ आउटसाइड द पेरिस इन फ्रांस. एंड मिसेज एंड मिस्टर राजन विद देयर टू डॉटर्स अलीशा एंड इंद्रानी. व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द डॉटर्स? अलीशा एंड इंद्रानी. स्टेप्ड आउट इनटू द वार्म सनशाइन. स्टेप्ड आउट मीन्स बाहर निकलना. वार्म सनशाइन मीन्स तेज़ धूप में. तेज़ धूप में वो उस एरोप्लेन से बाहर निकलते हैं. द राजन फैमिली हैड कम फ्रॉम इंडिया टू लिव इन दिस ब्यूटीफुल कंट्री फॉर अ ईयर. एंड द राजन फैमिली हैड कम फ्रॉम इंडिया टू लिव इन पेरिस फॉर 1 year. Mrs. Rajan had come to study the French perfume business for the Indian government, while Mr. Rajan would train as a chef. Alicia and Indrani would attend a French school. Student, Mrs. Rajan had come to study the French perfume business. Students, you know there are many kinds of perfume, many types of perfume, and the French perfume is very famous in the whole world. It is famous worldwide, and she has come to study the French perfume business for the Indian government. While Mr. Rajan क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर शेफ़ की ट्रेनिंग लेंगे, and Alicia and Indrani will study in a French school. Okay students, after that, as the taxi took them to Paris, Mr. Rajan started to tell his daughters about France. So student, when they got taxi for Paris, Mr. Rajan ने अपनी दोनों बेटियों को फ्रांस के बारे में बताना शुरू किया. It's about 1/4 the size of India, he said. It is among the largest countries in Europe. Russia is the largest. Mr. Rajan said that कि इंडिया का जो साइज़ है फ्रांस उसका 1/4 है. मीन्स सिर्फ 25% ही साइज़ है एज़ कम्पेयर टू इंडिया. अगर हम इंडिया से फ्रांस को कंपेयर करते हैं तो फ्रांस जो है सिर्फ 25% है इंडिया का इन द साइज़. इट इज़ अमंग द लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन यूरोप. बट इंडिया यूरोप की जितनी भी कंट्रीज़ है उसमें फ्रांस भी है जो है उस एक लार्जेस्ट कंट्री है. बट रशिया इज़ द लार्जेस्ट. रशिया जो है सबसे बड़ा है. Mr. Rajan went on to say that unlike India, France isn't very crowded. After that, Mr. Rajan told to his daughters that unlike India, France isn't very crowded. Like India has overpopulation, France isn't very crowded. वहाँ पर फ्रांस में जो है इतनी पॉपुलेशन नहीं है, इतना क्राउड नहीं है जितना हमारे इंडिया में है. There is plenty of room for everyone. Here students, plenty of room means a lot of opportunities. In France, everyone has a lot of opportunities, but in India, people do not have much opportunities. So, if we compare France with India, in France there are a lot of opportunities for everyone. There are forests and farms in France. The soil is rich, and the sea surrounds much of France. If we talk about the forest and farms in France, so there are a lot of forest also, farms also, and here the soil is also very rich, very good, and the France is surrounded by the sea. Much you can see much जो area is surrounded by the sea of France. So there is no shortage of good vegetables, fruit, grains, meat and fish to eat. So there is no shortage of good vegetables. You can see that everything related to the meal is very good, and there is no shortage of good vegetables. They get good vegetables, fruits, grains, meat and fish to eat. France has snow-capped mountains called the French Alps. After that, France has also snow-capped mountains. Students, snow-capped mountains means ऐसे माउंटेन्स जिनका जो टॉप है, जो मतलब कि हाई पॉइंट है, जो टॉप पॉइंट है, वो किससे कवर होता है? स्नो से कवर होता है. सो इट हैज़ बीन कॉल्ड स्नो-कैप्ड माउंटेन्स एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड फ्रेंच एल्प्स. Okay students, France also has broad rivers and plains where the cattle graze on luscious grass. Students, after that France also has broad rivers, very broad rivers and plains where the cattle graze on luscious grass. Students, luscious means it has come from lush means abundant, or you can say very green grass which attract the animals to look at that grass. So animals, cattle graze on that luscious grass. Dairy farming is also popular as the French love cheese. Student, in France, French love cheese. They are you can say fond of cheese. So dairy farming is also very popular there. It is a part of their diet. Cheese it is a part of their diet. वो उनके खाने का हिस्सा है cheese. On sunny hillsides, juicy grapes from the vineyards are harvested and pressed into wine, for which France is famous, added Mrs. Rajan. अब ऐसी हिली एरियाज जो कैसे ऐसी हिल्स हैं जहाँ पर धूप आती हैं, वहाँ पे जो विनियर्ड्स है, विनियर्ड्स मीन्स अंगूर का जो बगीचा होता है, दे हार्वेस्ट जूसी ग्रेप्स फ्रॉम द विनियर्ड्स एंड दिस जूसी grapes are used to make wine. Wine, students, it is a kind of alcohol. So these juicy grapes are used to make wine, for which France is famous, added Mrs. Rajan. Mrs. Rajan ने कहा कि फ्रांस जो है इस चीज़ के लिए बहुत फेमस है, for making wine from the juicy grapes. After that, France also has large cities and many factories. France also has many cities and many factories. France also has large cities, very large cities France has, and also factories. The country has almost everything that people need for a comfortable and happy life. So France के पास almost वो सब चीज़ें हैं जो वहाँ के लोगों को एक comfortable और happy life survive करने के लिए चाहिए होती हैं. Suddenly Indrani pointed and said excitedly, "Oh, there is the Eiffel Tower. It looks just like it does on postcard." सो सडनली इंद्रानी को ऐसी चीज़ दिखाई देती है जो उसने पहले शायद कहीं सिर्फ पिक्चर्स में देखी थी, तो वो उस चीज़ को देखकर बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो जाती है, क्योंकि वो इंडिया से आए थे. तो इंडिया में जो पोस्ट कार्ड्स होते हैं उन पर आईफल टावर की जो है एक पिक्चर बनी होती है. तो जब उसने रियल में उस आईफल टावर को वहाँ पर पेरिस में देखा तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी, बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थी कि वो बिल्कुल सेम वैसा ही दिखाई दे रहा है जैसा कि उसने पोस्ट कार्ड पर देखा था. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे we have read the page number 9 of chapter 2, and students, you will again read this chapter, this page with the proper explanation, and you have to understand each and every line properly. So students, thank you. Take care, stay home, stay safe.